Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CGC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that today the price made a really nice bounce. I mean, when you consider where it was just yesterday at the lows, and then all of a sudden you look at where the price closed here, any rational person would say, yeah, the price definitely made a very, very nice move on the day. But that does lead now to the valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around this area here, which I'm going to move up here. And this is all just revolving around a basic rule in charting, which states when levels of support are, when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So in this situation, 47 is now going to be the key level of support going forward. And the reason this is so important is because it's a situation where if this movement truly is strong, then the price is going to progress forward, right? The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. That would be a total contradiction. I agree. So with that being in mind, let's think about 47. Any sort of closes below there, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back to where it was when it was flirting with these lows. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, behaves in this manner, and then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have these lows down here. If you picture each one of these as stair steps, then you can see that very clearly the stair steps are progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, I'm defining and quantifying this statement, make progress, as 47. As far as areas of resistance, it's all about the 200 period simple moving average going forward, which on my chart is being denoted by the pink line there. So that's right up there at $50. So $50, key area of resistance going into tomorrow. All in all, though, no doubt about it, very nice bounce today. Now it's just a question of, can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward? We shall see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.